After months and months and months of speculation, Alton Towers have finally released the brand new scare maze, which is confirmed to be a Phalanx one. It's called the Compound. This spooky new scare maze will be located just behind the Curse of the Alton Manor building and just to the left of the Nemesis Subterra building. It's nice to finally have some confirmation that we're getting a Nemesis Reborn or Phalanx themed scare maze. I said for months and months and months that it was going to be a Curse at the Alton Manor maze, but how wrong was I? A terrifying new live-action scare maze, Compound. Bravely step forward and find yourself a subject of the Phalanx. Guided by their relentless operatives, you're plunged into a sinister sci-fi experiment where your DNA is the next weapon. Are things really as in control as they seem? Can you escape from their clutches, or will you become the next target for the experiments lurking within? Compound is an intense and disorienting scare maze set within an intimidating Phalanx facility featuring dark and claustrophobic environments along the hallways and chambers of their labs. Dare you enter this scientific nightmare? It's definitely been a Nemesis year at Alton Towers, but this is great. Finally, a Nemesis scare maze. So many people have wanted this for years and years and years, and seeing the comments on Facebook really have put it into perspective how big the Nemesis and Phalanx brand has gotten. But I cannot wait to take on the Compound. I think just to have something new at Scarefest has been what we've wanted really for years and years and years, and to have something new in the Nemesis brand has been great, or will be great. As with all scare attractions now, you do have to pay for these. It's £50 or pass holders £40 for the Spooks and Frights combi, which gets you in all the scare mazes, all the scare attractions, and that's £50. Or you can get an unlimited Frights pass for pass holders, which is £120, which means that you can get unlimited access to all the scare attractions at Alton Towers throughout the Scarefest season. But be aware, there's only 100 of these passes, so if you want one, get one now. And it also includes an exclusive lanyard. Hey! But that is it, that is Scarefest 2024. We now know everything that's going to be happening this year at Scarefest. For this year, Altonville Mine Tours is back, The Attic, Terror of the Tower is back, Burial Grounds is back, Daz Games PANIC has been rebooted or reloaded. Not forgetting the brand new Afterlife themed family scare maze over in the dungeons. This is easily the best lineup of Scarefest we've had in so many years, and to have two things that are brand new for this year, Daz Games Rebooted, which was great and really popular last year. I think it's going to be one of the best Scarefests we've had in a long time, but it's nice to see with Darkest Steps gone, they replaced it with something that's for the family in the form of the Afterlife scare maze, which will be in the dungeon. So we kind of got rid of a family scare maze, but also replaced it as well in the dungeon. So it all makes sense. All I can say now is bring it on. Bring October on. Bring on Scarefest. Bring on Rides in the Dark. Just bring it all on. Bring it on.